Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Instacart for grocery delivery partnerships, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Instacart for grocery delivery partnerships, begin by visiting the Instacart website. On the homepage, locate the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on that button to initiate the registration process. You may be prompted to select your role. Choose the option for delivery partners. Fill in the required personal information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password that you will remember. After entering your information, review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to these terms and proceed. Next, you will need to provide additional details like your address and preferred delivery areas. Instacart may request information regarding your vehicle type and insurance coverage. Fill out any required fields honestly and accurately. Once your information is submitted, you will receive a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Next, complete the background check process by providing the necessary identification documents. This may include your driver's license and vehicle registration information. Instacart will contact you regarding the outcome of the background check. If approved, you will receive further instructions on how to set up your account and schedule shifts. Log into your new Instacart account after receiving the approval. Familiarize yourself with the app interface and the tools available for managing orders. Set your availability to start receiving delivery requests. Begin taking orders and providing quality service to customers. Keep track of your performance metrics within the app for continuous improvement. Stay updated on Instacart policies and any changes to their delivery processes. Engage with the Instacart community for support and tips on maximizing your earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.